Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech Chat. I'm Pan. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you all can reflash your original Pixel 6 Pro ROM back onto your device without connecting to the internet. So you will be able to download the ROM file from the given links in the description of this video, and then you will be able to completely offline flash the original ROM back onto your Pixel 6 Pro device. So let's start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join me. So guys, before continuing to this process, we need to set up our PC. As the first step, we need to install the correct Pixel drivers on your PC. Okay friends, here you need to download this driver and extract it into your folder. Then open your device manager like this to install the driver. Now click this icon to add USB drivers. Here you need to select the folder where you need to get the drivers from. Select OK, click on next. Then you will be received a message confirming that your drivers has successfully installed. As the next step, we need to have the platform tools. You need to download it onto your PC like this. As the third step, we need to download the original ROM file from the Google servers. You need to download the latest version of this ROM file, otherwise it will be failed during the installing process. As the first step of original ROM flashing process onto your Pixel 6 Pro device, you need to power off the phone like this. You can normally turn off your phone like that way, but if you are stuck at the logo or somewhere, you can turn off your device like this. Click and hold all of the keys of your device. As soon as your screen goes to the down, you can hold your power key and volume down key. If that doesn't work, release all the keys and press once again. Okay guys, then your fast boot mode will appear on the phone screen like this. Okay guys, as the next step, you need to unzip these two files called your original ROM and platform tools for your Windows. Here I have extracted both of these folders, and I'm going to copy the all files inside of this platform tools folder into the original ROM extracted location. Okay guys, then you need to tap on your address bar of the file manager and type cmd like this and hit enter to open the command prompt window in here. Then you need to connect your phone into the USB cable like this. I have already connected, and then I'm going to type fastboot devices to identify whether my device has successfully connected to the PC or not. When it comes to here, you can see my device has successfully been identified by my PC. Then I'm going to flash the ROM file. Here you can see I have extracted the original ROM files into here. I'm going to run this flash all, but to run the file you need to type this flash minus all, then hit enter. This will officially flash the original ROM back onto the device. So during this process your device shouldn't be disconnected from the PC, and also your PC must power on. As you can see on the screen, our ROM flashing process has just started. During this process, your device will be rebooted many times, but you need to patiently wait till completing the fully installation process. If you disconnected the device during this process, or if your device has unexpectedly disconnected during this process, this will brick your phone. So you need to wait very patiently till completing of this ROM flashing process. Okay friends, now we have successfully reflashed the original ROM back onto our Pixel 6 Pro device. You can tap any key to exit from the command prompt window. Here you can see my device has successfully powering on. Okay guys, then you need to back into the ROM installation folder once again. Here you need to type cmd. When it launch, you need to connect your device into the USB cable like this. Here you can see I have successfully connected my device to the PC through my USB cable, and here you need to type fastboot devices to identify whether that your device has successfully connected once again to the PC or not. You can see my device has identified by the PC. Here you need to type again fastboot flash in lock command to relock the bootloader of your device. Then your device will ask lock the bootloader or not. You need to use your volume keys and select the lock the bootloader option. Then you need to tap on the power key to lock your bootloader. This will permanently wipe all the data that included in your phone. Then you can see here we can't see the warning message that appears on the screen. Okay friends, let's see how we can replace the original ROM if our bootloader is locked. So friends, if you want to replace the original ROM back onto your Pixel 6 Pro device with a locked bootloader, you should download the full OTA package from this website. You should download the latest version. You can see my zip file is downloading. You should turn off the mobile like this. Then you need to click and hold your volume down key and power key to open the passport mode. So guys, when it comes to here, you can see my device has a locked bootloader, and I'm going to replace the original ROM here. To replace the original ROM, I need to open the recovery mode. You need to select the recovery mode using the volume up and down keys, and click your power key to enter into the recovery mode like this. Then you need to bypass this window. To bypass the window, you need to press your volume up key and power key together and release them again. Click and hold your power key and volume key, then release all of them. When it comes to this screen, you should connect your phone to the PC using your USB cable, and you need to select the apply update from the ADB option in this recovery menu, and press your power key to enter into the apply update from ADB option. Okay friends, now you need to place your OTA package on the place where you have extracted the platform tools folder. Then you need to type CMD on the address bar to open your platform tools folder. When it comes to CMD window, you need to type ADB devices to identify whether your device has successfully been connected to the PC. Now you can see my device has identified by the PC. Then you need to type ADB slide load and place the ROM file path into this CMD window. Copy the path to your zip file. Now paste it here. Then hit enter. This will replace your original ROM back onto your device. Okay friends, now here you can see our phone is rebooting and our ROM flashing process on a locked bootloader device is successful. With that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.